Hey, what's up, everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. Today it's going to be a 15 GT manual transmission running the Roush Phase 2 Supercharger kit. You know I love those. It's going to lay down over 650 real horsepower. Tell you what, the car is pretty much a high producer. We're going to go down. I have Doug with me. We're going to take a look at the engine compartment and tell you everything about it. And hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us up to date. Let's go check it out. All right, so you have a 15 to 17 GT. And you're looking for over 600 roll horsepower. No easier way to get there than a supercharger. Today we're running the Roush Phase 2 with a couple other mods. So we have some stainless power long tube headers. We did some cooling mods as well. So we have the cooler thermostat. We have the rear cylinder head cooling kit. And I'll put links in the description so you read a lot more about it. And you're like, hey, what's this cost to even get installed? Because maybe you're going to watch this dyno video and be pretty pumped up. You simply email quote@brenspeed.com. But Doug, come down, take a look. So it's the Roush, it's the TVS 2300. Of course it comes, it's intercooled. You get colder spark plugs, 80 millimeter pulley. You do get a fuel pump upgrade. So you get the Roush booster pump, you get an upgraded air induction system, and that's a twin 60 millimeter throttle body on there. A really easy way to lay down over 600 roll horsepower. You know, if you have a Mustang and you want to run premium fuel, because you have to do that with a supercharger, it's just an awesome setup on the street. You know, you go out and hammer it, you're gonna get that boost right away. We're gonna watch that dyno pull. We are gonna check out the dyno graph. You're gonna see how that torque comes up, and it's gonna hang in there all the way across the curve. So check this out. All right, the numbers are in. Doug, come over and take a look. Dynojet SAE, 93 octane, manual tranny, 653 roll horsepower, peaking at 7,600 RPM. Torque came in at 495, peaking at 5,800. But right when we'll go wide up on throttle, we're over 450 torque. Look at this, all the way, pretty much across the board. And that's what you gotta love about a supercharger like this. So, you know, you don't have to have a 15 to 17 Mustang. Maybe you have an 11 to 14, or maybe you have an 18 and up. We have Roush Superchargers for you. We typically keep these in stock, so you know you can get our website, brenspeed.com, ship it right out to you, or come in for an install. But it's a really sweet setup. That's called the Phase 2 kit. It's flywheel rated at 727. We're sitting really good today at 653 roll horsepower. Doug, one more time, come over and take a look. Let's go all the way down the graph. 653 roll horsepower, peaking at 7,600 RPM, all the way going up. So that's a really sweet setup. So again, hey, what's this cost to get installed? You simply email quote@brenspeed.com. Doesn't matter if you have an 11 Mustang or a 3-valve Mustang. You know, hey, you can't get a Roush Supercharger for that. We have a lot of other options. Check out our website. Again, it's brenspeed.com, quote@brenspeed.com to find out how much it gets installed. And of course, leave a comment if you have questions about that Mustang right there. We're happy to answer. Thanks for watching.